Welcome back to Curiosity Hub. So far, we've created ribbon tabs, groups, and buttons. In this episode, we'll take our UI to the next level by adding a quick access bar, a small but powerful part of any ribbon interface. We are going to use the code that we have been using since episode 1. So, if you didn't watch the previous videos, I recommend that you watch them to avoid any confusions. So far, we are having a window with tabs. The tabs have groups and the groups have buttons, but we can also add the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Bar, or QAB, is a toolbar that usually appears above the ribbon. As I explained previously how the Quick Access Toolbar works, it holds frequently used actions like save, undo, or redo, so users can access them quickly, no matter which tab they're on. More so, the Quick Access Toolbar has buttons. It means we should first create some images for the Quick Access Toolbar's buttons. Okay, let's create images for the Quick Access Toolbar buttons. Let's create the Save button first, because that's the order as it usually appears. So we create the save image. Oh, this suggestion is telling me save image too, because we already have the save image somewhere, I think. Yeah, we have a save image somewhere, so we shall call this one save image 2 equals to new image. So we're passing in the PNG for this image, and it's save.png. Okay, let's create another image. Let's first split this one so that it makes sense to the compiler. So let's create another one, image undo image. Equals new image. And we pass in our PNG called undo.png. We terminate, we create the third image. Let's call this one redo image. Equals to new image. And its PNG is new.png. And then we terminate. Okay, now let's make these images usable. Using image view, we shall create the save image view 2. Save image view 2. New image view. Okay, terminate. And then we pass in the save image 2. Yeah, that should work. Then we create the undo image view. Let's just copy this one and paste it to save some time. Okay, next one is undo image view. And we shall use the undo image. And this one will be redo image view. and we shall just pass in the redo image. But remember, the Quick Access Toolbar usually holds icons in small sizes, so let's modify their sizes using Set Fit Height and Set Fit Width. For the Save Image View 2, we use Save Image View 2.setFitHeight, and I think 20 by 20 is going to be better. So let's pass in 20. And then Save Image 2.setFitWidth. We set its width. Let's copy and paste to speed up the process a bit. No, let's just do it manually. Undo image view, .set fit height. We make it a 20. And also we set the width, undo image view, .set fit width. Let me use 20. Now we can copy this and paste it here, and we change this one to redo. Yeah, the image views are good to go. Now let's create the buttons from the image views. We shall use button, save button. No, we already have the save button, that's why the suggestion is save button 2. This should be equal to new button, and then we pass in its image view. Let's first leave the name blank, because I think on the Quick Access Toolbar there are usually no names, and we shall use the Save Image View 2. Okay, let's create this. That makes sense. Okay, let's create another button. I think copying and pasting will be better. We have 3 buttons. This one should be undo. And this one should be undo, image view. Yeah, better. This one will be redo. Yeah, the buttons are ready. Now let's create a Quick Access Toolbar. We'll instantiate a class called Quick Access Bar. So, Quick Access Bar. Then we'll name it as Quick Access Bar equals new Quick Access Bar. Now let's add the buttons to the QAB. Okay, we shall use quickaccessbar.getButtons.addAll and then we'll pass in our buttons, save button 2, comma, undo button, redo button. Yeah, the buttons are now on the QAB. Now let's add the quick access bar onto the ribbon. We shall use ribbon.setQuickAccessBar and then we pass in our quick access bar, and I see no problems here. I think we can run it so that we can see what it outputs. Here is it. Yeah, the buttons and the icons are there in their place. But I think we had a mistake. It should have been redo, but we are having a new file icon. Let's just go and correct that logical error. Where could it be? Let's see, where could it be? Oh yeah, redo. We just passed in the new .png instead of redo. I think this one can solve our problem. Let's see it again. I think we need to wait for like 1,000,000 of years. Whoa, here is it. It has been corrected with the Save button. Undo and redo the buttons which are frequently used by the users. I think that's it for this video. See you in the next video, God willing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your feedback in the comment section, and follow Curiosity Hub for more.